What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr. Miyagi from The Karate Kid. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side, starting from the top of our circle. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom. And pull that back up towards the top. Now we leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up that top of that circle on the right side. And bring that down toward the same height. And back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, pull this in and then back out. Line this up on the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center. We're going to start on the left side, curve the nose, coming down, and then up on the right. Step up, draw a short curve, going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. And we'll tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. On the left side, step down, curve out, and then down. And we'll connect the bottom with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Let's add in the lower lip, starting over on the left, come down, and then up, and we'll tuck the beard underneath the lip. On the left side, step in, come down, and then this up, aiming towards the corner of the mouth. And then from here, we'll curve down and in towards the center point. Now we're going to add a fold underneath each eye. On the left side, come down, and then out toward the left, go to the right, and do the same thing. And we'll move up and draw on the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, we come in, then bend that down, line this up on the right, going up, and then out. Let's go back to the inside. I'm just going to flatten this off with a short line, going up and in. And then we'll taper the eyebrows out towards the side. Just going to pull this up and then down. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out. So we curve the bottom of the head coming down. And then just pull that in towards the side of the beard. Let's go over towards the right. Come down, and then bend that in. Let's go back up to the top and curve the hairline going up and then in, just on the side of the eyebrow. Let's bend the hairline going back out towards the side of the head. Starting on the left, curve in and then out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And we'll pull the head coming up and in. Start on the left. Up and in to right about there. And we'll connect the top with a curve. Just going to bring this down in the middle and then back up. Let's go back to the left side and curve the top of the hair. Going up. And we'll bend that back down. Now I'm going to draw the hair along the side of the head. Let's start from the top left. Curve out. And then bend that down. And then we'll curl the hair going back out towards the side. Now we're going to add a few layers of hair along the side of the head. Start back on the left, come down, and then in, just leaving a gap on the side of the head. Step back out, come down, and then in. Let's add the bottom of the earlobes. On the left side, we're going to step out, come down, and then bend that in on both sides. Let's add a little bit of hair coming down underneath the earlobes. We're going to start on the left side. Just going to curl out and bend that in. We'll do that one more time, coming down and then up underneath the head. Now I'm going to go back and add some folds along the inside of the brow. On the left side, I'm just going to curl this in and then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the inside of the collar. From the tip of the beard, we'll step down, start with a point, draw a straight angled line going up toward the left and right side. And then we'll add in the collar. On the left, angle down and out towards the side, and we'll pull that straight up underneath the head. Now I'm going to move out and draw the side of the body. On the left, we'll step out, curve out, and then down towards the hip, line this up on the right, come down towards the same height. I'm going to pull the shirt coming down and in towards the middle, leaving a gap in the center. Come down and then bend that in. And then we'll pull this up and in towards the middle with a straight angled line. Let's connect that top point and the bottom with a straight line. And we'll add 2 buttons on the right side of that center line. One at the top, and then one on the bottom. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, we'll step down, add a curve, going up and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curl the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe. And then we'll draw on the top of the foot. Starting on the left, just going to curve the foot going up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's move back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. From the left corner, we're going to step in, curve the leg going out, and down on top of the foot. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding a pair of chopsticks. From the top of the body, we're going to step up underneath the head, come down, and then bend that out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll curl around the thumb, going up and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb and then pull that back up. And we'll add the edge of the palm. Come down and then in with a short line. Let's layer the first chopstick in behind the thumb. We start at the very bottom, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. We'll continue that line above the thumb, going up and in. Let's flatten off the ends with a short line. And we'll draw the outside of the chopstick. Just follow that same line going in behind the thumb, and then up towards the top. Let's add the second chopstick. Starting from the bottom corner, just going to angle up toward the top. Again, flatten off the ends. And then connect the top and bottom with a straight angled line. Let's add in the fly. In between the chopsticks, we're going to draw an oval. And then we'll draw the wings. On the left side, go out and in, go to the inside, and do the same thing. Now you want to draw the index finger in behind the chopsticks and then down on the outside. So let's start from the top of the thumb, go up and out, go to the outside, go out, and then pull that back in. Let's go in between the chopsticks, come down and in, go to the inside, curve the second finger, come down and then up underneath the thumb, come down towards the bottom, come down, and then up in behind. And then from the bottom of the last finger, curve the palm, coming down and up towards the wrist, step down, curve the arm coming in and up behind the body. Let's roll up the sleeve. From the top of the wrist, step in, and then down, step up, and draw that same curve. Let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And we'll draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on the right side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we come down and then up around that bracket, step down, go out and then up. And then the third finger, we're gonna go out, pull the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's add in the sleeve. Halfway between the thumb and the top of the arm, curve out and then up, step up, and draw that twice. Let's move back down and add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across on the left and right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Mr. Miyagi from the Karate Kid. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.